to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out products that celebrities love using, but these can't be products that they endorse or products from their brands that they own. Like for example, Katrina Kaif owns K by Katrina. So any of those products I won't be talking about. They have to be organic products that they genuinely love. Not that I'm saying that they don't genuinely love the products that they're endorsing or are a part of their brand, but you know what I mean. So if you've been a long time follower, you know this is a series that I used to do back in the day. I've done multiple parts of this series and I wanted to do another one because there are quite a few new celebrities and also newer products that I've seen them using on their Instagram, their lives, or just read in articles. So yeah, having said that, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so the first celebrity that we have is a Bollywood celebrity, Janhvi Kapoor. I think right now, especially, she's really in the limelight because her new movie just released. It's not getting very good reviews from what I can tell. And honestly, the trailer also doesn't look very interesting. Regardless, the product that we're talking about today of hers are her contact lenses. So if you see, for the most part, she always has these hazel colored looking eyes. I think naturally also she has like light brown eyes, but when she does like really glam looks, she wears these particular colored lenses. And apparently they're these ones right here. I remember seeing a reel where one of her makeup artists said that this is the one that she uses. So let's try it out. So I am someone who has been wearing contact lenses since at least 10 years now. I don't have very good eyesight, so I wear contact lenses. So मैंने number वाले लिए हैं, number में भी मिलता है ये. The lens color that I have is called hazel. If you are someone who gets uncomfortable with fingers going into the eyes, this is the time to look away. So even though I'm a seasoned lens wearer, थोड़ा सा struggle तो होता ही है, especially जब lens नया नया होता है. So I wear a particular type of lens that I can wear for 30 days. So usually the first day when I put it on, it's a little bit of a struggle. But I surprisingly don't hate how this color looks on my eye. I have worn colored contact lenses twice in my life. एक बार आद्या के शादी में and then the other one in Manasi's शादी. And I always end up feeling like I look like Nagin. Like I just don't like how it looks on me, but this color actually looks quite nice. So fresh look की speciality ये है that you can see the color of the lens even if your eye is dark colored, or if you have light colored eyes, still the color is visible. And fresh look lenses are quite comfortable. These are not the brand that I usually wear, but I have worn these in the past also, and throughout the day they are nice and comfortable. Okay, so far I don't hate it. Let's see with makeup how do the lenses look. The next celebrity that we have is Kendall Jenner, who is a supermodel, and the product that she was seen using is so apt because she's a supermodel. She has the most sculpted, chiseled face and bone structure. She was seen using a metal gua sha. Gua shas in general are very, very popular. We all know that. But a metal gua sha is something new. And I have read it online that metal gua shas are supposedly better. I feel like they are better in the sense of durability because I have had normal regular gua shas in the past which break and you just have to go and buy a new one. Whereas the metal one is a lot more smoother and it's also extremely durable. So this is how she was seen using it. She adds lots of ice and water in a cup with her metal slash steel gua sha. That way, the gua sha also becomes super, super cool and nice on the face. Very smart and genius idea, I will say. I've nicely greased up my face with a moisturizer so that the gua sha can glide onto my face beautifully. Okay, I want to do it exactly how she did it. There's like a mini tutorial of how she does it. Okay, I will say that anyway, gua sha is a very like nice relaxing routine in itself. But when it's cold, it feels so much better. So for the most part, मैंने gua sha सिर्फ मेरे left hand side of my face में किया. I don't know if you can see the difference. It's a very slight difference, but from personal experience, I have used gua sha for a really long time, and every time I am consistent with it, I can see a huge result. And especially, there are certain mornings where you're more bloated, right? that is when a gua sha really depuffs your face. It works like magic. I don't think ये बिल्कुल भी कोई scam है या viral product है. It's something that truly works. If you don't already have a gua sha, I would actually recommend getting a metal one because, as I said, it's more durable, but just make sure to be a little bit more careful with it because it's a lot more aggressive than like a regular gua sha. So make sure that you're gentle on your skin. I'm not someone who usually gets red, but ये metal वाला use करके मुझे instantly दिखता है कि मैंने थोड़ा भी extra pressure लगा दिया तो red होने लग जाती है मेरी skin. So just be careful with it, but it's a great tool and I would also recommend using it. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do the other half of my face. The next celebrity is Hailey Bieber and her product is actually a really bougie one, but I'm really excited to try it out. Basically, it's this illuminator from Chanel. I don't think I own any makeup product from Chanel. This is my first one, so I'm really excited to try it out. What she essentially does is that she mixes this in with her glazing fluid. I think that's what it's called, her milk fluid, the Rhode product, and she applies it on her face and her body as well. Now, I don't have the Rhode product, but I do have this, which is kind of similar in terms of texture. Just taking a few drops and then a few pumps, and then she literally just mixes it in between her palms and on the face it goes. And the rest goes on the body. I have not seen what it looks like. Looks pretty. I mean, obviously there is a glow. एकदम ही glowy लग रही हूँ मैं. That is for sure. But I feel like a lot of highlighters, luminizers we already have that can do a similar job. I don't want to be quick to judge. I'm going to continue doing my makeup. मैंने थोड़ा सा और अपने body पे लगाया है and it does look very beautiful. And I will be applying it more so on my face than my body. But it is very pretty. I cannot deny that. Okay, the next celebrity is a Bollywood celebrity, Sonakshi Sinha. So if you're someone who watches YouTube, I'm sure at some point you might have bumped into Sonakshi Sinha's channel. She has been doing a lot of like get ready with me and like makeup videos. And I actually met her very recently and shot a video with her as well. I think she's such a vibrant person. She's very fun and she's very spontaneous is what I got to know. So basically what we did is that we went through her videos and we tried to find a few products that she continuously uses, which means that she likes those products and they're a part of her like routine. One of those products was a concealer from MAC. This is what it looks like. I've never tried this product out and I have been in kind of like a concealer rut. I have been using the same Huda Beauty concealer I think since a year and I have not experimented. Like I'll switch it up once in a while, but 95% of the time I'm using the same concealer. So I'm excited to see how this one works. The shade that I have right here is NC40. I think the shade looks good. Iska applicator is really nice and fat, which is perfect. So I'm using it on my bare skin in the sense that I'm not putting it on top of foundation because I really want to see how well this works. Using my Simba Lifestyle concealer brush. Okay, blends really easily. Like I don't have to like struggle too much. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The coverage is also decent. It's not crazy full coverage, but I feel like I could totally layer. So this is what the skin looks like. And honestly, I absolutely love it. This concealer, I will give a thumbs up and I will actually compare it to my Huda Beauty concealer in terms of performance. They're very different concealers, but I like them both a lot. And I do see myself using this concealer for sure. Let's also talk about the Chanel Luminizer highlighter. You can still very much see it. It's absolutely stunning. On its own, I think it's a great product, but the price is definitely high. I feel like there are all of these luminizers that you could use if you're on a budget, but if you want to splurge, I think it's a nice product. There's nothing wrong with it other than the price. Let's also address my contact lenses because after you do your makeup, your contact lenses look even better like on your face because just contact lenses with bare skin, it's a little bit weird. I mean, I actually like it, but on camera, I don't know how I feel like it looks. Like I don't love how it looks on camera. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? I do have an entire box of these lenses, so I will have to use these eventually, but let me know what you think. The next product is a hair product. It's actually a hair mask that Katrina Kaif apparently really likes. It's by Kiehl's. I have used Kiehl's skincare products, but I don't think I've ever used a hair care product. My biggest bone to pick with this particular product is its price. Oh my god, it's insanely expensive for a hair mask. I think it could be maybe because I don't think it's easily available in India, because I saw it on Amazon and it's expensive. Again, I can recommend so many hair masks to you on a budget, and all of these are bomb. I tried this hair mask on my hair extensions because my natural hair is very soft and smooth, so I really wanted to put this to the test. The actual hair mask feels like any other hair mask. The smell is very neutral, so if you're not a big fan of smells, I guess this is a good thing. It did nicely hydrate the hair extensions, it made it smooth, and well, it is good. So I personally don't feel you need to spend that kind of money on a hair mask. The next celebrity is Ananya Panday. Ananya Panday has honestly been killing it, and she's very slowly and gradually become everyone's favorite. I feel like when she started off, everyone had like really mixed feelings, and now she's become everyone's favorite. And she's also, may I add, Chanel's brand ambassador, which is a huge deal. Congratulations to her. I've actually met her also, and she's actually really nice. We've shot a video also together. She's very sweet, very nice. Her favorite product, which I've seen popping up quite a few different times, is a very quirky, different product. It's not a beauty product. It's actually balm. It's Tiger Balm. So I feel like Tiger Balm hum sabne use kiya hai at some point, but the ones that I have at least personally used is that original one. This is a different Tiger Balm. So this is the Tiger Balm Soft. So this is supposed to be texture maybe soft, but also it's supposed to be kind of like a milder, lighter version. And it also has lavender in it apparently. People who are extremely affected by strong scents can use this because, as I said, it's a milder version. I actually really like the smell of balm, and especially Tiger Balm. Ooh, I can smell the lavender. And it actually smells really nice. Okay, I'm gonna use it. I just have to. It's giving me very Vicks vibes, even in terms of color, but also the texture. Chanel के luminizer के ऊपर मैं लगाने वाली हूँ Tiger Balm. But I perpetually have like a neck pain, so I love this. Acha ye product, and especially the fragrance. People are not going to be repelled by this particular smell. I feel like if you have extreme pain, the original one is definitely strong. This is very nice for like traveling. You know, like you don't want to like scare people off. This is nice. The next celebrity that we have is Rashmika, and her product also is a very unique one. This is what it looks like. It's a chewing gum for energy and focus, and it's in the peppermint variant. It has natural caffeine, it has vitamin B12, B6. Okay, that's interesting. So it's supposed to be like a healthy, sugar-free chewing gum. I really like the flavor peppermint, so let's try it out. This is what it looks like. Kitne ka tha ye? Ooh, it's for 250 rupees for 9 pieces of gum. Interesting. Okay. It has a really weird texture and that weird artificial sweetness. It's kind of kadwa also. I don't like this. Like, I gave it some time, I chewed it for a while. It still feels really weird, the taste. I would rather not have gum than have this. The last product that we have is, of course, a fragrance, and it is not only Deepika Padukone, not only Katrina Kaif, but also Parineeti Chopra's favorite fragrance, or rather one of their favorite fragrances. And I actually don't own any fragrance from this particular brand. I really like the bottle. It's so minimal, but also so chic. I really like it. Let's spray it. आज Chanel plus Tiger Balm plus ये fragrance का mixture होने वाला है. Right off the bat, it smells very sophisticated. I think if I had to describe this perfume in just one word, it would be that. If you're wondering about the notes, this is a floral fragrance. It's very rose and gardenia heavy, but it also has musk. I feel like I could totally see Katrina and Deepika both wearing this fragrance. Like, yeah, it smells could potentially smell like them. I've never smelled them before, but they could use this. Like, it's a very bougie fragrance. I have used this before because I really wanted to see how long it lasts. And unfortunately, it does not last very long. I have used a lot of perfumes that are cheaper than this, still in the luxury sector, but they last much, much longer. Unfortunately, on me, it doesn't last very long. You can still smell it at the end of the day, but you really need to like smell me and like sniff me to be able to tell that I'm wearing this. I like fragrances that last a long time, especially if you're going to be paying this kind of money. So, in summary, I do like the fragrance, even though I'm not someone who is a big floral person. There are very few floral fragrances that I like. I really like this one, but it doesn't last very long. So with that, we've come towards the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Of course, all the products are going to be linked down below and also tagged down below. I am really curious to hear what you guys have to say about these products. Let me know in the comments down below. And that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying the birthday series so far. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.